Hi, my name is Matthew Christian from Tampa, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, we're going to talk about the proper use of a hammer drill. Okay, again, we're talking about a hammer drill today, and again, a hammer drill is primarily used for drilling through concrete. And to demonstrate, for all practical purposes, we're going to use a standard brick. And we're going to show how rather easily a drill will drill through concrete or brick. And again, I can't stress safety enough, but it's recommended that you use earplugs and safety glasses. We're going to leave our drill into the high speed or high gear. We're going to set it for hammer, and we have a concrete bit securely in place. Now we'll locate where we wanted to drill, place the drill bit down, pull the trigger, and begin to drill. One thing I'd like to point out is once you've gone approximately halfway through the desired depth, I recommend, while the drill is running, pull the bit out to clear any debris, and then start again. That's it. Now you've drilled your hole, and you're ready to fasten whatever it is that you were drilling for.